Good morning, friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it is a Saturday morning. What? I know. So I just did a poll over on my Instagram asking if you guys wanted to like watch me clean my house, and the majority of you said yes. So here we are. So typically I spend Saturday kind of like doing a deep clean, that way I can chill on Sunday, but in my school district, we get the whole next week off for it's like President's or Ski Week. So I really want to start my break with a really clean house, really organized, decluttered, so I can just relax and enjoy my break. It is 11:15, which is like a really late start for me to get going, but I went to a spin class this morning and then my sister came by to see my dog, so it is what it is. So it's 11:15. I'm having my first cup of coffee because I had pre-workout in the morning and I can't do both because I will whoo! But so I am just making my list of everything that I need to get done today, and I figured I would just take you guys along with me. Now, just because I know I'm gonna get questions, I have already filmed a house tour, so I will link that somewhere up there. So if you do wanna watch that, you can. Really quickly though, this is our first home. It needs a lot of cosmetic updates, so if you have any questions about it, go ahead and either watch that video or ask me down below and I will try and get back to you. And I also just wanna say before I get started, I don't wanna be too rambly, but I'm a teacher, I'm busy. I like to pride myself on being organized, but at the end of the day, this is real life. My house is like kind of a mess right now. We were both kind of sick at the beginning of the week, and then Valentine's Day came, and then I had trainings and I had subs, and so I felt like I wasn't really like up on my housekeeping. I usually come home and just like pick up, so everything's kind of tidy. But like looking around, I'm like, whoo, I got some things to do. So this is a judgment-free zone here on my YouTube channel. This is real life. I like to think that I keep it real right here. So it is what it is. If you're gonna judge me for having stuff on my table, just leave now because I don't need your negativity in my life. I just had to throw that in there. Anyway, also, I guess quickly, I just wanna say, I think for the sake of like this not being like a 45-minute video, I'm just gonna put you down. You can watch me clean. I'll probably just do like a voiceover and kind of chat through what I'm gonna be doing. So yeah, if you wanna watch me tidy and clean my house, go ahead and keep on watching. All right, so the first thing I do is I wake up and I make like a to-do list of everything that I need to get done. So as you can see, I have a lot to do. I already went to my spin class, so I'm gonna start by taking off all the bedding off my bed and starting a load of laundry, continue with the laundry. I always start cleaning my house by just tidying, picking everything up, and then I can go back and actually clean the space. So I'm gonna clean my bathrooms, my kitchen. I'm gonna dust, sweep and mop all my floors. I need to wash my windows, and then these are things I'm gonna do later in the day. Hey, look, I can check that off. Whew. So like I said, I'm just gonna put you guys down. I'm gonna start tidying after I finish this cup of coffee, and this house will be clean. Okay, I'll see you soon. Okay, so the first thing that I do is I take all the bedding off of my bed, obviously. So we really only sleep with a sheet and our comforter because our comforter is super heavy. And our comforter is in like a duvet cover, so I do have to like unbutton the duvet cover, pull the comforter out, which is what I'm doing right now, and then I wash the bedspread. I should have washed it separately, but I put it all together. So after I rip everything off, I'm just gonna throw it in the wash. Okay, so the first thing I do is I just go around the house and I pick everything up. For some reason, our living room becomes our dumping ground when we walk in the door, and we put all of our coats and our bags and everything on the couch. So I'm just walking around and putting everything away, putting the blankets in the coffee table, and making sure that there is nothing just left out. And then I am just cleaning off our dining table. I hate this table, but it's what we have right now. So there was just stuff left out on Valentine's Day. We played like checkers, so I'm just putting all of that away, as well as a wine glass. Yeah, I'm not ashamed. And then I just moved straight into the kitchen. Chris picked up the kitchen in the morning, so I was just kind of like making sure that everything was where it needed to go. That way when I come back to do like a deep clean, I don't have to do any picking up. And then our guest room rarely gets used, but we do have a closet in there, so I'm just hanging up some of Chris's shirts that he left on the bed just so there's nothing out, and that's really it for this room. And as you can see, the bathroom was a hot mess, so I definitely had some picking up to do in here before I started the cleaning process. So here I'm just making sure everything gets put away. The bathroom is something that I definitely need to organize better instead of just shoving things in drawers, but that's where I'm at right now, and that's okay. And then here I'm just starting to pick up our bedroom. There was some stuff on my nightstand, so I'm just going through and making sure that the only things that are there are things that need to be there. And then we just have our shoes laying out right now because I picked them up from the living room. So I'm moving our hampers to the laundry and just picking up our bedroom. And as you can see by my face, I was not excited to clean our office. This is where I do filming. And I hadn't put away my gear and stuff from earlier, so I had to put all that away, as well as the packaging from an unboxing video. So here I am just picking up the office space. Okay, so now that everything's picked up, sorry for the music in the background, I can't find my phone. Once everything's picked up, now I go back and I actually clean. I hate the pickup part, so I'm glad that's over. The cleaning doesn't really bother me. In fact, I actually kind of like it. That office is going to be my summer project. It is so disorganized right now, but I just can't even. So that is the summer project. Maybe I'll take you guys along. Anyway. So that was the pickup process. It only took me about a half hour, which is awesome. So now I'm gonna go and deep clean everything. I typically start in the back of the house and work my way towards the front, and then I do the floors last. Okay, so after I do the bathrooms, I just go back and I dust everything. So everything from here on is going to be just dusting surfaces, and then I will get into the floors. after everything is dusted and cleaned, I go back and I do the floors. So I vacuum everything first. I only showed like a few rooms being vacuumed because it's not that great. Sorry, my dog's barking. So I just vacuum everything. I will link the vacuum down below. And then I go back in with a Swiffer and I will be mopping everything. And the Swiffer is hardwood safe. We do have finished hardwood floors, so we had to make sure we got something that was safe on our hardwood. So that is what you're gonna see right here. So I just go through and I mop everything and then the floors are done. Okay, these windows will be the death of me. They get disgusting, especially right now because it's rainy and muddy and the dogs put their paws on the windows and stuff. So I have to wash these frequently, as you can see here. Okay, so I was going to make my bed and then I realized my bedspread wasn't completely dry, so I had to throw it back in the dryer. But that's literally the last thing I have to do is make my bed and then finish my laundry. And then typically after my bed's made, my laundry's done, I will go around the entire house and light 6,412 candles because that's who I am and I'm not ashamed of it. But my camera's gonna die and I'm sweating and I'm done. So I think I'm gonna end this video here. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I mean, I can always put my camera up while I clean if it's something you enjoy. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button on the way out, and if you click the little bell, bing, you'll get a little notification every time I post a video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.